Hi, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer here at Sallie Tomato. It is day 4 of our 2025 Holiday Royale Advent Box. Today's gift will elevate your handmade sewing game, guaranteed. Day 4. Add these to elevate your next new projects and showcase your craftsmanship. Let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. Today's item is an assortment of handmade labels. These elevate the charm and authenticity of your handmade creations. Crafted with care and precision, these handmade labels add an elevated charm to your bags, wallets, totes, you name it, anything you make in your sewing studio. These handmade labels also add a personal flair to each one of your handmade works of art. These handmade labels work great with all fabrics from wovens to non-wovens and install easily with a seam ripper or scissors. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful hardware and we can't wait to see it on your bags. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And remember, we're only on day 4. We've got a lot of great things to open. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.